My name is Madhavi. I'm from Alleppey. My name is Madhavi. I'm from Alleppey. I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you. My name is Nattivar. I'm from Srinagar. My name is Nattivar. I'm from Srinagar. I speak Kashmiri, but I'm just like you. My name is Shubhrata. I'm from Kolkata. My name is Shubhrata. I'm from Kolkata. I speak Bengali, but I'm just like you. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. I speak Gujarati, but I'm just like you. My name is Arundhati. I'm from Guwahati. My name is Arundhati. I'm from Guwahati. I speak Assamese, but I'm just like you. My name is Benjamin. I'm from Panjim. My name is Benjamin. I'm from Panjim. I speak Konkani, but I'm just like you. My name is Rani Mai. I'm from Chennai. My name is Rani Mai. I'm from Chennai. I speak Tamil, but I'm just like you.
I am Kulvinder from Chandigarh. Aha, 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 aha. Hey! I am Kulvinder from Chandigarh. Aha, 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 aha. I am Kulvinder from Chandigarh. Oh, I speak Punjabi, but I'm just like you. India, different states, different languages, diverse culture, still unity in diversity. Because we are many in body, but one in mind. We are proud Indians. Yes, we are Indians.